Hey guys, it's me Anugya and welcome to my channel. Today, at a lot of places the lockdown has been lifted, but you please make sure you follow the same things, same steps you have been doing because the virus hasn't gone yet. Coming to the recipe, I'm starting with a new breakfast series with some quick, easy and delicious recipes. And the first recipe to go is eggs Kejriwal. Let's get started. So if you're thinking the eggs Kejriwal is somehow related to the Kejriwal in Delhi, so no, it's not. It's related to a person called Devi Prasad Kejriwal. So he didn't get to eat egg in his house. So whenever he used to go to the Wellington Club in Mumbai, he always wanted to order something in egg because he loved eggs so much. And this recipe was, he loved this recipe, and every time he would go, he would order for this. So the chefs were very attuned to making it in the Wellington Club, and this recipe now, this dish in fact has its name in the menu as well over there. Let's get started. The ingredients for eggs Kejriwal are salted butter at room temperature, chopped coriander leaves, grated cheese, I've taken cheddar cheese, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, one whole medium to big size onion, finely chopped green chilies, 2 eggs, 1 bun or pav, or you can even take bread, some oil, salt and pepper. Let's get started. The first step is take a pan and drizzle some oil. I'm using olive oil, but any oil is good actually. Once the oil is hot, we'll put the chopped onions and give it a stir. We don't have to cook the onions till they are very soft. We just have to cook till they are translucent. So now is a good time to add the tomatoes. It's like a salsa. This looks good. We can add the chilies now. We don't want to make the tomatoes too mushy like we do for vegetables. We just have to keep the tomatoes crunchy, the onion and tomatoes crunchy. If you don't eat too much spicy, then you can add less chilies. Okay, this looks great. We are going to just add some salt and pepper. Okay, so this looks good. We can just take it out in a bowl. And we can use the same pan to do the next step. So for the next step, take a bun or a pav and just divide it into 2. Take butter and put it on the buns. And keep these aside. The next step is we'll take a medium to big size onion and we are going to cut it. We need the rings, onion rings, big onion rings. So we are going to cut from the center. All right. Okay. So we need to carefully take out the rings. So for this one, I'll take out 2 rings. Okay, just like this. So I'll be using these 2. You can put a little bit of oil. Okay. And now we'll put our onion rings. I'll be making 2 eggs Kejriwals, and now we'll crack open the eggs in between. It's absolutely fine if the egg goes out from this. We have to cook on slow fire. You can just roll in. Cover it and cook it on slow fire. Okay, so these look done. Add some salt and pepper. Okay, you can off the fire now. Now you can transfer them on a plate and use the same pan for the next step. Take the buns with butter and put them one by one. We need to do this step on low fire. You can add a little bit butter on the other side. Okay, flip them over. Wow, look at it. Keep the fire on very low. They look fabulous. Now on these hot buns, we will put the cheese. We'll just cover it. Let the cheese melt. The cheese has melted well. And now we can add the tomato and onion, the chopped salsa that we had made on top of it. You can even add some chutney, green chutney, or some sauces of your choice. But I love it like this. So after adding this salsa, we are going to be adding the eggs with onion rings. And voila! The eggs Kejriwal is ready. And let's serve it hot. They look amazing. Our eggs Kejriwal is ready and I can't wait to try it. It's really good. It's really good. Do try it, guys. It's quick, delicious, and something new. The flavor of the cheese, the salsa with eggs, and the crispy bun. It's yummy. Do try it, guys. Guys, if you have any questions regarding this recipe or any recipes of mine, then do leave a question in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and do share this recipe with your friends as well. And I'll be back again with more breakfast recipes. See you, stay safe, bye.